My video guide is about removing the ransomware called Ust29. Ust29. This is the ransomware that may affect the majority of files which the customers store on their computers, including pictures, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Because of certain existing vulnerabilities in the security of the specific computer, this ransomware called Ust29 may be injected into the device, and then it starts immediately damaging the files. So you might soon realize that when you try to open the specific file, you get a message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the Ust29 extension. Removing this extension manually, of course, does not fix the issue. So the ransomware encrypts the data, and it also adds some other information after the main file extension, such as some unique identifier, some email address, ust29@aol.com, and finally this Ust29 extension. It also places this ransomware note on the computer screen, mentioning that your files are encrypted and that you need to pay the ransom for file restoration. It also quotes some email addresses here. But paying the ransom, of course, is not a good idea. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So we urge you not to pay the ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. What we recommend you to do is to check your computer with the reliable antivirus software, and we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. To download Combo Cleaner antivirus, you might need to use Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts may be also modified by the ransomware. So go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the program, and then you might need to implement similar tricks to start Combo Cleaner by going to the Combo Cleaner folder in Program Files directory. So after Combo Cleaner successfully updates its anti-malware database, the scanning will then begin. And you might notice that some threats have already been found by Combo Cleaner antivirus. I want to emphasize your attention on the feature of Combo Cleaner called anti-ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders on your computer that will always be protected against ransomware encryption. But this feature is the part of the premium license only. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the report about threats. You'll be able to know their locations on your computer. We recommend that you upgrade to premium, and this is the best way to remove malware from your system and to keep your data always safe and secure.